Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. First, you have to log into your Moonpay account through your mobile application or Moonpay website. Make sure that your account is perfectly verified. You can't buy or sell or transfer anything from your Moonpay without verification. Now you have to click on this wallet icon here, and in this wallet you will find some currencies available in your account. There are 4 currencies available in my account for primary. You can choose your currency that you want to send to Trust Wallet. To add another currency to your wallet, you just need to go to assets. Then from here, you just need to click on discover more assets. After clicking on it, you will find this type of page, and from here you just need to search for the currency that you want to add to your wallet. For example, I'm going to add USDT. So here is the Tether. This is the USDT. Simply click on it. Then from here, we just need to buy a certain amount of USDT to your account. You can use your bank account to complete this payment, and you can purchase USDT. After purchasing the USDT, you can find USDT wallet in your wallet section. For example, I'm going to transfer Ethereum. It is the same process. I'm going to click on Ethereum wallet here, and after clicking on it, you will find this type of interface. Click on this 3 dot button and you will find send option. Simply click on send, and then you have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send. Then you just need to click on continue. After that, you must need to ask for the recipient's Trust Wallet cryptocurrency address. They just need to find out their cryptocurrency address. Then you just need to get the address from them, and they will find their cryptocurrency address in their Trust Wallet, and then you can just copy that address and paste it here, and make sure that it is completely correct for avoiding any type of hassle. That's how your recipients will get the currency that you have sent through your Moon app, and they will get the currency to their Trust Wallet. And that's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.